Hi, welcome to Tech Buddies. In this video, we'll be looking at how to create a bootable pendrive. This video contains two sections. Section 1, downloading the required software and files. Section 2, making a bootable pendrive using the softwares in 3 clicks. Let's get started. Your favorite browser and search for Rufus. Now head over to the download section. Select Rufus 3.8.exe file to download. This is the file we will be using to create a bootable pendrive. We have to download the ISO file. In my case, I am downloading the Ubuntu ISO file. You can use any ISO file you want. So download it and save it to your desktop. We have required files to do our work. Open Rufus. Insert the pen drive. Your pen drive will be detected automatically by the Rufus. Now click on the select button and locate your ISO file. This slider indicates the persistence. So to learn how persistence works, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon to get notified when we upload a video. Now click on start. I'm getting a pop-up asking permission us to download some required files for flashing. Click on S. The required files are now being downloaded. Now a pop-up window shows asking in which format do you want to install. Select ISO image mode, which is accurate for most of the ISO files. If you face any trouble, you can go for the DD mode. You have to wait until the process is being done. The process completed, click on close. You have a bootable pendrive of your desired ISO. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.